Okay, welcome. Today we have here with me Innocent, who is a trader with AudaCity Capital. He's just recently hit his 10% profit target on his first account with us. So Innocent, congratulations. Well done. Great work. So why don't you just introduce yourself to the community out there? Tell us a little bit about yourself and your background in trading.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. My name is Innocent Sengiyaremye. I am from Rwanda. Um, I think I don't know if I can talk a little bit about Rwanda. Is an East
Yeah.
African country. So it is located in East Africa. I come from Rwanda, born and raised in Rwanda, of course. I studied here in Rwanda, my primary school, also high school. Afterward, I went to in courses. So back then, after I completed my engineering course, I returned back to my country. So I did a lot of job concerning my engineering career, where I did like being assistant at a university. Uh, I'm also 30 years old. Yeah, finally, I'm also a professional Forex trader. That's it.
Brilliant, fantastic. So tell me, how long have you been trading for then? When did your interest start in trading and how did you get into it?
So, well, actually, most of young persons in my childhood, I have been dreaming like to be um, like engineer and medical doctor as well. My dream were not really different as those of young children. So when I was in India, actually, I was really dreaming. I have seen that what I have dreaming for is really coming through because I was closely completing my engineering. But when I was doing research about completing my graduation and my engineering, I came across something like which was new to me, and I saw some advertisement talking about Forex. I saw how many people testimonies life has been changed, and it really touched my heart. And I said, is it really possible that people can change life as it is? So in my days, I was really believing that the only thing that can change the person's life was being engineer, being doctor, as it was my dream. So I said, along the way, if I'm really becoming engineer and I'm seeing this thing can really change the people's life. So why not can't I really try my chance to see
Hmm.
if this can be possible? So
Okay.
I started in 2018.
Yeah.
I did some research. That's it. That's when I started really getting involved in forex trading.
Okay. Fantastic. And how did you, the strategy that you're trading today, where did you learn that strategy?
Yeah, you mean in my strategy today?
Yeah, the way that you're trading, your trading style, where did that start? Where did you start to learn that specific strategy in the way that you're learning and trading today?
Okay. So as I said, back in 2018, I was really doing it as baby step. But I actually started trading as a professional 2020,
Hmm.
2020. So that's when I really said what I'm doing is not professional.
Hmm.
And I started to learning from some of professional traders from Canada and South Africa through online courses.
Okay.
So my strategy right now is based on like resistance, support and resistance, break and retest. So it's also depend upon the chart because sometimes I scalp or sometimes I also do swing trades. So when I'm scalping, I mostly like to use indicators, but when
Hmm.
I'm opening the a long-term position, I basically being based on the resistant break and retest on some of the reversal patterns like head and shoulder,
Hmm.
the cipher, whatever. So it's also
Okay.
depend on the chart,
Yeah, absolutely.
but
So
mostly those days I'm scalping.
I see. Okay. So what you're saying is this kind of strategy and the methods and of you use and how you trade depends
Yeah,
on the
yeah,
market conditions that you see. So is that a
yes.
fair assumption? Perfect. Amazing. So, we obviously looked at your account in terms of, the results that you were able to produce on our initial account that you started with, and it's really impressive. So, you're trading a whole different kind of variety of currency pairs. What's the reason for that? Is there a particular, do you have a favorite pair? Is there a market that you like a little bit more than others, or do you trade everything? Because it looks from us looking in, it looks like you're trading everything.
Hmm. Yeah, actually, these days I'm really trading everything because my favorite current pair here, I'm not allowed to open it because uh, I like to trading mostly on the other accounts. I trade US 30
Hmm.
and sometime gold or like that. But coming on the forex, my favorite pair is euro Australian like that.
Hmm.
So, but
Okay.
because when I'm scalping, I like to see where there is opportunity. That's why you see these days I'm really mixing everything. I'm not
Hmm.
really basing on my most favorite current pair because
Hmm.
when it comes to indicator, sometimes I see here I can scalp, here I can do this.
Yeah.
So that's why, because I don't like really to keep my position more than 2 days,
Okay.
except when it is a weekend.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. And when you mentioned indicators a few times there, are there any particular indicators that you think are really useful for yourself when you're using when you're trading?
Like two indicators which are the most useful on my side. That is MACD, moving average, convergence and
Hmm.
divergence. When I mix it with the stochastic LSI, really it helps me not forgetting Bollinger Bands. Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Fantastic. And do you have any kind of, in terms of the way you trade and how you've found success trading in the financial markets, do you have any particular piece of advice that you would give to other traders out there? Maybe, if they're beginners or more experienced traders. Do you have a piece of advice for them?
Yeah, yeah, any advice I can give to them for sure, basing on my experience, because I have seen this that I can really be a professional trader because starting on the pandemic when we were in a really total lockdown everywhere globally, so I have seen that even whatever kind of job I were doing, everything was really closed. So I sat and I said, the only opportunity, the only things I'm doing this time is trading. And when it comes to being financially free, uh, really whatever you are doing, nothing can give you peace of mind like trading. I'm doing right now. Some of the job I have already resigned of being assistant lecturer. These days I'm only doing like some industrial jobs only because also they can give me something. So, but other whatever jobs I can do, nothing can be more than forex trading because
I see.
I wake up anytime I want, I open position I want, and I feel comfortable because
Okay.
when I'm tired, I leave it. So, the advice I can give to anybody is first taking forex trading as serious as they can,
Hmm.
and secondly, when it comes to risk management, whatever you do, you have to know that nobody controls the market. So, because back in days, what were really killing my trading strategies, all the trading strategies was really basically I didn't know what it really means the risk management. So, when you take forex trading seriously, you invest time in it, you try to risk as less as you can, and you focus on it. You choose your best strategy and you choose your current pair or whatever you trade. Really forex trading is
Absolutely.
long term long
Absolutely.
term
I think that's a very good point that you make there about in terms of treating it very seriously. One thing that we always say here is that you need to treat trading like it's a business. You need to invest your time, you need to invest your money into either learning how to trade or as you're ongoing, as
Mm.
you're progressing through your journey as a trader. So I think that's a really good point there that you speak about taking it very seriously. You know, people think that they can just, you know, open an account and very quickly start making money, but it's a journey and a process. And I think it's very good that you've highlighted that there. So you mentioned your specific journey as well that you've been on, from wanting to become an engineer in a medical profession and then discovering Forex. How has AudaCity Capital helped you along that journey when you discovered Forex? How has the program helped you?
Amazing, amazing. So it's really kind of something special when you mention AudaCity, because AudaCity will not only help you to earn money, but it will also help you to be disciplined. So to get disciplined. I said this because when it comes to the lot size, anytime you trade and I have only this limited drawdown. So you will be doing something that you really able of really thinking. But
Mhm.
sometimes when we are trading our own account, so you invest aggressively, but some of the people out there, they have talent, they are able to trade, but trading with $200 really is insignificant. At the end of the day, the time you invest in doesn't really match the effort, even the profit
100%.
you get. So that's it. So
Absolutely.
AudaCity on my side, when I saw it, I said, how come possible some people can trust you and give you money without passing some challenges? People are always wasting time. So if you believe yourself in your strategy, I can say AudaCity is one of the best platform you can really give a chance and try. Because
Perfect.
I hit my target, but also being able to see the account doubled, and also maybe next time to be doubled again. It is
Absolutely.
something that gives you freedom. It gives you feeling comfortable, and you say, this is my office. I have to wake up and make time, make money, so as well as possible. So that's really, I started seeing the fruits, the seed, the harvesting. So that's it. It is very amazing.
Absolutely.
But
You know,
above all, discipline. That's number one.
for sure, absolutely. You know, the point that you mentioned on discipline is very, very important, because that one of the biggest things that we see and the biggest reasons as to why traders have big drawdowns on their accounts and lose confidence is because they break their own risk management rules and guidelines. And that's something that's not, like you mentioned, it's not possible in our accounts because we set them for you. So it allows traders to trade with good risk management. It forces them to trade with good risk management. And 9 times out of 10, what you'll see with traders is you'll see their results improve with that. And it's great to see that that's had that effect on yourself as well. So, okay, fantastic. So, you've given some great advice. Again, congratulations on hitting your 10% profit target. And thank you for giving your time to us today in sharing your experience with us and your experience trading and having your account progressing on to the next stage. So congratulations again. And thank you for your time today, Innocent.
Thank you so much. You are welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.